She walked away. She found someone new or started a different life. And now you're sitting there asking yourself if she'll ever return. Here's the hard truth. She usually does. But she only comes back to the man who transforms into someone too rare, too strong, too valuable to lose again. Not because he begged for a second chance. Not because he tried to convince her. But because he became the kind of man no one can easily replace. In this video, I'm going to show you the Stoic formula that quietly draws her back. No pressure, no tricks, no games. Just strength, presence, and evolution as a man. Think about it. Marcus Aurelius never chased. Epictetus didn't try to persuade. Seneca didn't waste time explaining himself. They mastered one truth. The man who boldly walks his path never needs to chase anyone. Women come back to men who stand out. And you stand out by choosing discipline over impulse, self-respect over approval. Let's get into how it works. Step 1. Create distance without drama. When she pulls back, don't chase, don't plead, don't react. Give space. Most men go into panic mode. They beg, they over-explain, they apologize just for being themselves. The Stoic does the opposite. He steps back quietly, not to punish her, but to protect his peace. That stillness makes her feel what life is like without you, because silence speaks louder than desperate words. Step 2. Build in private. Most men try to prove they've changed by posting updates, flexing photos, or broadcasting a new life online. But true growth doesn't need an audience. It should leave her wondering, who is he becoming without me? What's different about him? That mystery is what pulls her curiosity back. Don't show. Don't flaunt. Let absence create tension. Step 3. Return to your mission. If you lost her, chances are you lost yourself first. You slowed down your progress. You let her become the center of your universe. And that's when she felt you losing direction. Women aren't inspired by men who orbit them. They're drawn to men who orbit something greater. Reclaim your mission. Because a man with no mission is a man who is forgettable. Step 4. Elevate yourself in every area, quietly. If she ever comes back, she should see that you're not the same man she left. Sharpen your body, sharpen your discipline, sharpen your standards. But here's the key. Do it for you, not for her. The moment you build a life you respect, she'll wonder if she even deserves access to you anymore. Step 5. Let her feel the risk of losing you forever. The most powerful position you can hold is this. She believes she can't just walk back whenever she wants. Don't rush to reply when she reaches out. Don't let emotions pull you off center. Respect is built on scarcity, not availability. When she feels the gap between who you are now and what she once had, that's when the regret sets in. Not for comfort, but for the reality she overlooked. She doesn't return to the man who begged for her back. She returns to the man who became something greater. You became disciplined. You became still. You became focused. You didn't just move on. You moved up. And at that point, whether she comes back or not, you've already won. Because the journey was never about chasing her. It was about reclaiming yourself. That is the Stoic way. Subscribe for more wisdom.